Hello and welcome to Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment. Today, we're diving into the exciting beauty trends of 2025. From mesmerizing frosty eyeshadows to the evolution of satin skin, we've got all the insider insights to keep you ahead in your beauty game. Let's explore what's in store for the coming year. First up, let's talk about the revival of frosty shimmer eyeshadows. Remember those icy whites and sparkly hues from the noughties? They're back and better than ever. Makeup artist Kasia Damanska shares 2 pro tips. Always use an eyeshadow primer for long-lasting shimmer and apply with your fingertips for maximum impact. Slide, blend, and finish with a few layers of mascara, and you're good to go. Say goodbye to ultra dewy glass skin and hello to satin skin. This 2025 trend offers a perfect balance between dewy and matte finishes for that healthy, natural glow. As Claudia Soar from Anastasia Beverly Hills puts it, satin skin is velvety, soft, and luminous. Start with a solid skincare base and finish with makeup that enhances your skin's natural radiance. Next, multi-purpose beauty products are set to dominate in 2025. From all-in-one balms to skincare-infused makeup, these products are designed to simplify your routine while delivering powerful results. Expect innovations like foundations infused with probiotics and lipsticks that nourish your lips while adding color. The future of beauty is all about multitasking. Fragrance lovers, 2025 is your year. This season, it's all about bold, warm scents and subtle, skin-enhancing aromas. No in-betweens. Whether you're into opulent Middle Eastern profiles or the clean girl aesthetic, there's a signature scent waiting for you. Finally, monochrome makeup is stealing the spotlight. Using one color family across your cheeks, eyes, and lips creates a simple yet striking look. Makeup artist Anastasia Alawadi suggests using a matte lipstick as your base for blush and eyeshadow. Blend quickly, finish with mascara, and you're ready to shine. Beauty trends for 2025. Which trend are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment for more updates and inspiration. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay trendy.